so much hair stuff that's inexpensive, you know, from products to this kind of thing, which is the, can you read that? I don't know what it says because it's upside down. It says Even Eye Spectrum. And in the back it has directions. I think I might, you know, just take it out of the box and see if it looks easy enough to do without having to read directions. But directions are really good. You should always read directions. And this is what it looks like in the box. Very pretty. This is actually a really good present because look at that presentation. Nice, kind of soft looking. It's so pretty. And there's some cautionary things in there that you definitely should read. Okay, this is the actual iron. Looks pretty long. I like that because I have long hair and it helps speed up doing your hair. So I'm all for that. This cord is got a lot of precautionary things on it you should totally read. And that's got the Velcro cord so you can wind it up and, you know, fasten the cord so it doesn't go everywhere, which I like because it keeps things neat. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. Hold on. Okay, I have one of these kind of breakers, and the other iron I have plugged in is just this round one, so we can compare curls maybe. That'll be cool. And to turn this on, well, it looks like it turns on when you plug it in, which is cool. I'm gonna just, you know, press the buttons a couple times, see what happens. Well, maybe I'll look at the directions. Hold on. Okay, so with this iron, we're looking at different temperatures, but you can't click to go up to those temperatures. It's just gonna heat up and tell you when it's at each one of these temperatures. So this is the lowest temperature. Feels, obviously if I'm touching it, that's not a good thing to do. Don't ever do that. Okay, so while you were sleeping, while I was like waiting for this, I read the directions and I think I might have a broken infrared. Although I can feel some warmth here. This is really cold. It says you have to click on this like two times. And I've done that and it hasn't lit up this barrel. That's what needs to light up. So I'm going to have to bring this back to TJ Maxx and delay this video on the infrared. And I have to say that I don't think I'm going to buy another curling iron from TJ Maxx if I'm going to have to keep returning stuff. Anyways, this is what it says in the directions that you should press. The directions, by the way, are this little paper. And so because of that, I'm going to switch to a different video. Anyway, I can tag them in this video and maybe they'll DM me or something and send me another one. I don't know. But anyways, like I said, I'll leave it on and try it again, try to press it again. So for this one, I'm just going to curl some pieces around the front. I really haven't wanted to put a lot of heat on my hair because in the wintertime, everything dries, gets super dry, and breaks. So, yeah, so. Anyway, and I'm still dealing with a lot of dryness in the hair. I've been using a lot of conditioners, but nothing seems to work. Oh my God, I got it to work. It wasn't, okay, press, like it says press twice. You have to like press and hold, and it comes down like that, and it lights this up. So I'm super psyched that I figured this out. Sometimes it does take, you know, it's electronics, even though it's hair stuff and not a computer, but this does look like something you'd see in a movie. You know, I don't know. Anyways, I'm not going to touch it. You can feel heat from here. And obviously these are curls that I got from using my regular one. Where's my comb? Okay, hold on. This is my comb, so I'm gonna brush them out a little, which is fine with me. I like the idea of putting the infrared back here where I have the most hair. I feel like if I can treat this area gently, it will calm down some of the, you know, the dryness that's making it so big. Okay, so I'm gonna try this now. I'm actually gonna wrap it like I did the other one. There we go, let's see what happens with this thing. I'm gonna hold it here for a little bit. Alright, what's gonna happen? Oh. It looks like a really similar curl to my 1 inch. Let's see. It definitely feels lighter. I mean, that for me is a total game changer if it feels light, because I don't like heavy tools. I'm gonna leave this in for a little bit. Look at the lights, that's so cool. And you can see that it's just on kind of a really low setting. Which, if I can get a curl like this, oh my gosh, from this low setting, I am in. This is awesome. Let's do a couple up here so you can see them better. I thought I wasn't gonna love this. I love that I don't have to open the clamp to get these curls. Just whatever's not an extra step, because I have, you know, a lot of hair. I want to get going, and oh, these are way different than the curls. And I want to say this, I guess I can say the struggle now. I mean, I never thought that using my 1 inch was that difficult, but my regular curling iron was that difficult, but compared to this is so easy. It's super light too. I am dying with this curling iron. I feel like at this point, if you don't have this, you need to go get it. Like I said, I bought mine at TJ Maxx for $34.99, and I have hair on my mouth. Hold on. Oh, look at the light. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. This is good. This is good. So, ooh. What do I want to say? So brushed out, you can already see that this side has more pop to it. I can pick it out, brush it out, and still have the bend. I might put a little more into that. Yeah, baby. Ooh. And if I wanted to change it up, I love how fast this is happening. Oh my gosh. I love it. Super good buy. Okay, now I'm gonna do this other side here. Maybe you can see it better, so looks like it's on camera more. Oh, nice. I'm gonna use this mirror right here so you can see me use this better. Alright, I have to switch hands so that I can get this. Like I said, it's really dry, so I should put something on it, but I really want you to see what the curl is like without any products or that kind of thing. Yeah, it's really good. This is my dream curling iron. I just would really love this in a bigger barrel. So that might be my next investment, is to get this in a 1.5 or something, if they make it. I totally recommend this. I'm having so much fun. I am still on the lowest heat, and I do have one casualty right here. There you go, one casualty, which is pretty good because, like I said, it's pretty dry. And I am going to do my fluffy spots back here next. See if I can get it to tame with this. Now, this is kind of like a delicate area for me. Okay, that's good. So this is really helping out with kind of a trick that I do, which is adding heat to an area that's like hard to get the, you know, hard to comb really smooth unless you really work at it. I don't like the idea of totally picking at my hair because I think that destroys it. But adding this infrared heat just kind of softens it. So I can go like this, and any kind of, you know, mini snarls come out. They just fall out, like, not fall out of your head, but relax. They get calm. See, like this little piece here. So this little piece here, I felt like a little bit of the knots in there. So I'm just going to use this heat on it. And then add that slowly to it because I don't want more heat on the ends. And it just, you can't really see it, but it just totally makes it calm. Nice. Notice how it calms my voice. When my hair is calm, I am calm. So I'm just really loving this, that I really just want to do it all. And it's totally not taking very much time, which I love. I also like how my hair is just calmer and flatter than when I was using this one, because with this one my hair was getting even bigger, and you know, that's just proof that it was drying it out more. So with this, you can tell it's not drying it out more because the calmness of the curls. Ooh. Ooh. I like. Nice job. Totally recommend. I hope you like this video. I feel like I could be curling my hair all day with this. Oh, maybe I want to curl this piece because it's actually funner. This is actually funner than my regular curling iron. Like I said, I really love how lightweight it is. And the curl is beautiful. It's really pretty. I don't even want to touch that up. And like I said, it's like not making my hair bigger. So that's how I know it's not drying it out. And yeah, I'm so excited. Please like and subscribe. I really need subscribers and likers. And I'd love commenters too. I will try to do videos once a week. Things have gotten a little bit lighter in my schedule, so I'm definitely going to do more. And I pick up these kind of gadgets like really spontaneously, so I can't really say when, you know, I'm going to be able to put up a video, so definitely hit the notifications bell. Okay, see you next time.